I'm Judy. I come from Poland. I'm a recent graduate of Vienna Master in Applied Human Rights, and I focus on developing non-formal educational tools to tackle human rights conversation and break taboos. And one of the methods to do this is gamification. And I myself developed an educational tool to safety that aims to advance conversation on migration, so right to movement, right to dignity, and destigmatize people on the move. It is a card-based board game with inventive storytelling based on real-life scenarios. Players enter into the shoes of people on the move and start their journey from country of origin to the country of destination, so from relative point of danger to relative point of safety, and on the way facing several obstacles, again from real life scenarios. And this is a great way to bring human rights message in a more hidden way, so through less expected way, which is play and fun. Start the conversation, exchange perspectives, learn and unlearn on the topic of freedom of movement and human rights in general. The game is called Ticket to Safety, and you can find more information on the website under the same name. I decided to join the laboratory because hearing about a combination of humor and human rights gives me goosebumps. I think it's a very powerful tool to tackle uncomfortable conversations, to get ourselves out of comfort zones and other people, because I think this is where change happens, out of our comfort, in order to tackle and advance human rights conversation. It was very insightful to share conversation with diverse people from diverse backgrounds, humor practitioners like clowns, or people from advocacy of human rights, and combine those diverse perspectives to see how we can use humor in order to advance human rights conversation. And my biggest wish in the next months would be to introduce this topic to the curriculum in the academia, especially to the master programs in human rights, both Vienna Master in Applied Human Rights and the master program here in Padova, and collaborate together, creating a module on this topic of human rights, and raise awareness that this is a real powerful tool and take fun seriously. Great example of use of humor to tackle uncomfortable conversation or break a taboo would be cartoonists, especially the case of Maitena in Argentina, that was able to bring the topic of gender inequalities in post-dictatorship Argentina and raise social awareness on what needs to be changed. But of course there is a variety of examples of cartoonists using art to raise awareness and reshift perspectives on human rights inequalities. I also want to greet my parents. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you to the camera person. We always forget who is behind this hard work.